The DJI Mavic 4, set to be released shortly, promises significant advancements over its predecessor. Equipped with a substantial 6400 mAh battery, a 30% increase from the Mavic 3, the Mavic 4 boasts an impressive 50-minute flight time on a single charge. Beyond battery capacity, the Mavic 4 incorporates a cutting-edge obstacle avoidance system, ensuring safer and more autonomous aerial navigation. Additionally, its innovative 3-camera system offers enhanced versatility and imaging capabilities, enabling users to capture stunning aerial footage from multiple perspectives. The Mavic 4 boasts a significant upgrade in obstacle avoidance capabilities. Equipped with 6 180-degree fisheye lens sensors, the drone can now detect and avoid obstacles with unprecedented precision. This enhanced obstacle sensing system allows for safer and more reliable flights in complex environments, making the Mavic 4 a versatile tool for both hobbyists and professionals. The Mavic 4's advanced obstacle avoidance technology is a testament to DJI's commitment to innovation and safety. The ability to perceive its surroundings more comprehensively, the drone can navigate through challenging terrains and avoid potential collisions, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. This feature, combined with the Mavic 4's other impressive enhancements, positions it as a leading choice for those seeking a high-performance and feature-rich aerial platform. The Mavic 4 is set to revolutionize aerial photography and videography with its innovative 3-camera system. This configuration offers a versatile range of focal lengths, allowing users to capture a variety of shots with ease. This wide-angle lens is ideal for capturing expansive landscapes, group photos, and dynamic action shots. Its versatility makes it a go-to choice for most scenarios. This focal length provides a more zoomed-in perspective, perfect for capturing distant subjects or creating a more cinematic look. It's suitable for wildlife photography, portraits, and general telephoto shots. This super zoom lens offers exceptional magnification capabilities, allowing you to capture subjects from a considerable distance. It's ideal for wildlife photography, sports events, and other situations where a long focal length is required. Onboard storage. To ensure you can capture and store plenty of content, the Mavic 4 offers ample onboard storage options. Equipped with 64 GB of storage, the Pro model provides a solid foundation for capturing photos and videos. It's suitable for casual users and those who don't require extensive storage. Cinema model. Offering more storage options, the Cinema model comes with either 128 GB or a massive 1 to 4 TB of storage. This makes it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts who need to capture and store large amounts of high-quality content. With its advanced camera system and generous storage options, the Mavic 4 is poised to become a powerful tool for photographers and videographers alike. The DJI Mavic 4 is set to be a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Mavic 3. While the Pro model is expected to retail at $1,199, a premium of $100 compared to the Mavic 3, the Cinema model is anticipated to command a more substantial price tag of $2,499. This price increase can be attributed to the incorporation of advanced features that aim to enhance the drone's capabilities. The Mavic 4 boasts a range of innovative features that distinguish it from previous models. These include improved image quality, enhanced flight performance, and advanced obstacle avoidance technology. The drone's camera is expected to offer superior low-light performance and a wider dynamic range, enabling users to capture stunning visuals even in challenging conditions. Additionally, the Mavic 4 is anticipated to feature a more powerful flight system, allowing for longer flight times and higher speeds. The inclusion of advanced obstacle avoidance sensors will further contribute to the drone's safety and reliability. Overall, the Mavic 4 presents a compelling proposition for those seeking a high-quality drone capable of delivering exceptional results. While the price increase may be a consideration, the additional features and advancements offered by the Mavic 4 make it a worthwhile investment for photographers, videographers, and enthusiasts alike.